Let's see what it is. Just hooked up as we were dropping the burley down into the water.
I need to put my line.
Should be fine. Let's see what this thing could be. Woo! I mean, it feels like a keeper.
That's good.
Oh. Oh. I would say average. It makes it look so big in the water, and then when you pull it up, it's like.
The water makes it 25% bigger. Right, that's still big.
Oh, that's nice.
Bruh.
Nice. Woo. Nice one. Let's go. I would say that's around like 40 centimeters, I would assume.
Man, shut your